Hello students of class 2nd B, welcome to your new online classes. This is your maths class. Today we will study about short form and expanded form of two-digit numbers. You know what makes a two-digit number? Tens and ones make a two-digit number. For example, 4 tens and 2 ones make 42. Means 40 plus 2 makes 42. Here, two beats are there, so it means two tens. In ones, three beats are there, so it means three ones, which makes it 23. So 20 plus 3 makes 23. Now let's move towards exercise. Question number 8, write in the short form. So how we will write 30 plus 7 in short form? 37. 20 plus 5 will be written as 25. And 10 plus 8 will be written as 1. 8 means 18. Rest of the questions you will do in your copy. Now move towards question number 9. Question number 9 is write in expanded form, means we have to write them in long form. 53 will be written as 50 plus 3. In the same way 42 will be written as 40 plus 2. Next question, 26 will be written as 20 plus 6. Rest of the questions you will do by yourself in your maths copy. Now let's move towards question number 10. Fill in the blanks. We have to fill here the digits in tens and ones and then plus them to make a two-digit number. For example, here 3 beats are there, so the digit 3 will come in tens place. Here 4 beats are there, so 4 will come in ones place. 3 tens plus 4 ones makes the digit 34. In the same way, all the questions will be done. You have to draw them in your copy and then write their answer. Now let's move towards place value. So what do you know what is place value and how can we find out the place value? So what does place value means? Place value means where the digit is placed in a number. For example, the numbers 34 and 43 have two digits. The number 34 and 43 have two digits in them, 3 and 4. But the digits are in different places in the two numbers. So they have different values. The position of 3 is in tens in 34 and the position of 3 is in ones place in 43. In the same way, the position of 4 is in ones place in 34 and in tens place in 43. The position of a digit in a number gives its place value. So the place value means where the digit is placed in a number. Now let me show you an example. So in 34, the place value of 3 is, because the 3 is in tens place, so the place value of 3 is 30. So in 34 the place value of 4 is, because the 4 is in ones place, so the place value of 4 is 4. Now let's move towards exercise. Question number 1. Fill in the blanks. We will read the question first, then we will solve the answer. A part. The digit in the tens place of 19 is 1, because they have asked what is the digit in tens place of 19. The digit in tens place is 1. So the place value of 1 is 10. Same way the second question, the digit in the ones place of 19 is 9 and the place value of 9 is 9. In the same way the C part, the digit in the ones place of 27 is 7. Its place value is 7. In the same way the rest of the questions you will do by yourself in your maths copy. Our next topic is comparing and arranging. So what we have to do in comparing and arranging? We have to compare two numbers and then putting the sign towards greater number. So how we will compare two-digit numbers? So to compare two-digit numbers, first step is to compare the digit in the tens place. First we have to compare the digits in the tens place of both the numbers. Which one is greater? Put the sign towards it. If both the digits are equal, if the digits in the tens place are equal, we will follow the step 2. Compare the digits in the ones place. Which one is greater? Put the sign towards it. For example, in 72 and 35, first we will compare the 7 and 3. Which one is greater? 7. So the sign will come towards 72. Now look at example 3, 42 and 48. First we will compare the digits in the tens place, which is 4 and 4. Both digits are equal, so we have to follow the step second, which is to compare the digits in the ones place. So here the digit is 2 and here the digit is 8. So which is greater? 42 is greater, so we will put the sign towards 48. In the fourth example, first we will compare the digits in the tens place, which is 6 and 6, both are equal. Now we will compare the digits in the ones place, which is 5 and 5, both are equal. So which sign will come? Equal to sign will come here. Now we will move towards exercise. Now here is your exercise given. We have to put the sign less than, greater than or equal to. Now come on A part. 46 and 74. First we will compare the digits in the tens place. 4 and 7. Which is greater? 7. So the sign will come towards 74. Now move towards question number B. 25 and 24. So the digits in the tens place are equal. So we will compare the digits in the ones place, which is 5 and 4. Which one is greater? 5 is greater. So the sign will come towards 25. In the same way, rest of the questions you will do by yourself.